Welcome to our brief video on how to fill out the Return to Learn commitment form. Here I am on the Framingham Public Schools website, and I'm going to click on the link to get to the instructions. From here, I'm just going to walk you through how to do it. So let's scroll down a little bit, and we're going to do the English version, and we're just going to log into Aspen. Aspen X2 is the system that we use to track all of our student information. That includes grades, attendance, everything. So anytime we need to keep track of something related to your students, it's in Aspen. Many of you in middle and high school are familiar with using Aspen to view your students' grades. Let's click to log in. First question it's going to ask you is, what is the login ID? The login ID is something that we often call your LACIT. This is your local student's number. So your LACIT is a 6-digit number that was sent to you in an email. Just take a look through your email and you'll find this number listed there. So again, it's 6 digits. The password varies. If you're in elementary school, the password is the date of birth. So the date of birth would be in the form of year, month, day. If you have a 0 in the date of birth, you have to include that. So for a date of birth that's January 7th, 2011, it would be, for example, 2011-0107. It's always important to remember the zeros. If you're in middle or high school, you may have already reset your password from your date of birth. If that's the case, you can put in your updated password here. If you need your password reset for some reason, it's not working, there is a form on the Return to Learn commitment form on the website for Framingham that you can fill out and have us reset the passcode. Now I'm going to click on Login, and it logs me into Aspen. Right here on the right-hand side, you'll see the Return to Learn commitment form. I'm going to click on the option to complete the form. It's going to ask me some questions here. Let's bring this up just a little bit so I can see it. And bring this down just a little bit so I can see it. There we go. I'm going to click on Next here. And it's going to ask me 3 questions. As we plan for a return in mid-January, please tell us which you prefer for your child: to come back to school in person, at the school building, or to stay at home. I'm going to choose to come back to school. So I simply click that button. Second question, if your child returns to school in mid-January, do you need a bus? So do I need a bus? In this instance, I do, so I'm going to click on Yes. Is your decision to send your child to school in person dependent on bus transportation? A yes answer means you are unable to send your child to school in person without bus transportation. A no answer means your child would be able to attend school in person, even if bus transportation was not available. So if I really need a bus and there's no other way for me to get my child to school, I'm going to give an answer of yes. Okay. Having completed that, I'm just going to click the Finish button, and I'm all set. I've completed the form, and now the data is already at my school and at the district, and we can use it in the district to help prepare for all of our students to come back. Thanks for taking a moment to watch this video.